Understanding the USDA Organic Seal. Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into an important and widely recognized symbol in the food industry, the USDA Organic Seal. This topic is not just about a label. It's about understanding what goes behind the products you choose and the standards they meet. So, whether you're a shopper, a food enthusiast, or just curious, this video is your gateway to understanding the USDA Organic Seal. The USDA Organic Seal is a symbol of quality and trust. It represents a product's compliance with the strict production and handling standards set by the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA. But it's not just any label. To sport this seal, products must meet rigorous guidelines, ensuring they are produced through approved organic methods that promote ecological balance and conserve biodiversity. Getting the USDA organic certification is not a walk in the park. Products must adhere to specific requirements. No synthetic fertilizers or pesticides. This ensures that the products are grown without harmful chemicals, fostering a safer environment. GMO-free. Products bearing the seal cannot be genetically modified, maintaining natural genetic structures. Resource cycling. Organic farming practices promote recycling resources, contributing to ecological balance. Animal welfare. Livestock must be raised in a manner that accommodates their natural behaviors, ensuring a humane approach. Choosing products with the USDA Organic Seal is not just a personal choice. It's a step towards a healthier lifestyle and environment. Here's why. Health benefits. Organic products are free from harmful chemicals and pesticides, promoting better health. Environmental impact. Organic farming practices reduce pollution and soil degradation, contributing to a healthier planet. Support for local farmers. Often, organic products come from local farms, supporting the local economy and reducing carbon footprints due to shorter transportation routes. Identifying the USDA Organic Seal is simple. Look for a green and white label that says USDA Organic on your products. This seal can be found on various products, including produce, dairy, meat, and packaged goods. Remember, not all organic labels are the same. The USDA Organic Seal is a mark of stringent standards and quality. Thank you for joining us in exploring the significance of the USDA Organic Seal. We hope this video sheds light on the importance of making informed choices and the impact these choices have on health, environment, and society. Remember, every time you pick a product with the USDA Organic Seal, you're not just buying something good for you. You're also contributing to a larger movement towards sustainability and ecological balance. Here's to making choices that matter. Until next time, stay informed and eat healthily.